Hi guys, last video I explained about mole-mole relationship in problems, in a chemical equations. So problems based on chemical equations. Before this video, please go through that previous video. You will get an idea about chemical equations, the relation between mole and mole relationship. Today, we are going to study about mass or it is nothing but a weight relationship. Weight it is nothing but a mass ratio. It is nothing but how you are going to, means in that problems only, in that problems based on chemical equations only, how you are going to measure the mass relation. Now I will give you one example from this book, Numerical Problems in Chemistry, from this book. This is my book, so that is why here I explain from this. So here, what is the mass of hydrogen necessary to react completely with 25 grams? 25 grams of nitrogen. So, he is asking, what is that? What is the mass of hydrogen? He is asking what is the mass of hydrogen necessary to react completely with 25 grams of nitrogen? So he is asking what is the mass of hydrogen is needed. So before that, what happened? You have to write the chemical equation. He will not give chemical equations. Some chemical reaction he will give you, but some you have to write. How? Means here, nitrogen react with hydrogen to form NH3. This is a famous reaction. This we can call it as Haber's process. In the preparation of ammonia, nitrogen gas react with a hydrogen gas to form ammonia gas. At high pressure, low temperature are the favorable conditions. Why? Means already we studied. This is a dynamic equilibrium reaction. Means what? Nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia. Again ammonia gives what? Nitrogen. Nitrogen is a never ending process. This is called equilibrium reaction. To stop this reaction, we are going to use high temperature, high pressure and low temperature. Now we will balance the chemical equation. So here 2, then here 1, 2 moles. 2 moles of nitrogen and here 2 moles of nitrogen. It's a balanced. Then here hydrogen, 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 3s are 6. So 3 2s are 6. Means generally 1 mole, it is nothing, 1 mole of nitrogen react with 3 moles of hydrogen gas to form 2 moles of ammonia. Now here what happened? The given information, that is 25 grams, is asking what? 25 grams of nitrogen. 25 grams of nitrogen. What is the mass of hydrogen? How much mass? Means how many grams of hydrogen is needed? How many grams of hydrogen is needed? Generally from this equation you know one thing only, 1 mole reacts with 3 moles. You can do 2 methods. Direct relation, this is grams, means what? You have to convert this into grams. How? That is 2 into, you have to calculate the molecular weight of N2. How much beta? 2 into 14. It is nothing but 28 grams of nitrogen. Then what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is nothing but 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 grams. Now here based on this equation, so here suppose if it is 3 moles, so Okay, 3 moles. Hydrogen is 1. Here you will get 3 grams. So here what happened? I will explain once again. Here what happened here. First, I will write clearly. Here 2 moles about nitrogen. 2 into N. 2 into 14 is equals to what it are? 28 grams of nitrogen. Then what about here hydrogen? 3 twos are 6 into 1 is equals to 6 grams like this. Means 3 twos are by 6 hydrogen, atomic weight of hydrogen is 1, 6 grams. So here 2 methodologies. First we do. I would like to convert this into moles. By the given information, 1 mole gives 3 moles. But the given information is in grams. First you convert into grams. Moles. How? Weight by molecular weight. Weight by molecular weight. Suppose I will do like this. Here, weight means moles. How you are going to convert these moles? Weight by molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. If it is atom, you take atomic weight. Weight is how much? 25. Divided by what is the molecular weight? 28. Then do. So here you will get weight by molecular weight. So like that here what happened? 25 divided by 28. So from this calculation 0.89 moles of water here nitrogen is formed. Means we converted 25 grams into moles. By here the relation between moles and moles from this equation. So that is why weight by molecular weight. This is the equation. For the conversion of water, weight means that is mass into moles. So here 25 divided by 28, how we will get 25? That is nothing but here from this equation. 25 by 28 is 0.89 grams. So from this equation, 1 mole of here nitrogen is equals to 3 moles of hydrogen. This is a standard equation. So here 0.89 moles is equals to how many moles of hydrogen? It is nothing but 0.89 into 3. What you will get? You will get 2.67 moles of water hydrogen. Means I converted first this 25 grams into moles. Why you converted? Means in this equation only water mole relation is available. 1 mole gives water 3 moles. So that is why mole relation. 1 mole gives 3 moles. Similarly, here what happened? 1 mole gives 3 moles. 0.89 moles gives how much? From this equation, you will get 2.67 moles of hydrogen. Concept is clear? So why you comparing with only hydrogen? Why not ammonia? Means the given information, only the relation between nitrogen and hydrogen, not with ammonia. So that is why we compared with these two. So this is very important. Now we'll go through that next. So we got 2.67 moles of hydrogen. But we here the given information is in grams. Means you have to convert it into 2.67, that is hydrogen, means that is 2. Then 2.67 into 2, then you will get 5.34 grams of hydrogen. Why? This is asked in grams. So that is why first you convert it into number of moles. Then after that you compare. Then you convert into what like this? Means first you convert water. Here I am writing sketch how to write. First you convert this water mass into water moles, again moles into mass, like this. But is there any conversion directly? You can also do. I am explaining now. So here, okay, you calculate it like this. Suppose same equation I am giving. 2 moles of ammonia is formed. Here he asked what beta? This is the chemical equation. Okay. 25 grams. 25 grams of nitrogen is asking dash grams of hydrogen. This is the relation. The given information is in grams. So I would like to take in grams only, grams of nitrogen. And here given information is in grams, grams of hydrogen based on this chemical equation. So here beta 1 into 28. Why 28? Molecular weight of nitrogen is 28. 1 into 28 grams of nitrogen required 3 to the 6 into 1. That is nothing but 6 grams of hydrogen. This is a standard statement based on this equation. So here 25 grams gives how much? So indirectly it is nothing but here from this equation, that is 25 into 6 divided by 28. Then from here you will get a 5.35 approximately. This much grams of hydrogen is required. See here, if you convert into moles, then after that mass, almost you got same answer. Now you also, by doing like this, also you will get same answer. This is the relation between mass and mass. First you convert into moles, moles into mass. That is also same, or mass to mass is also same. This is very, very important. If we will go through that, next problem. So this is very, very similarly mass relation. Next problem, if we will go through that. Second problem, so from these numerical problems in chemistry, that is second problem. Calculate, suppose calculate the mass of, second problem, calculate the mass of silver chloride produced from 10 grams of AgNO3. So 2 moles of AgNO3 plus barium chloride gives rise to 2 AgCl plus barium nitrate. You balance this reaction and do problem. So here calculate the mass. Now you are going to calculate, always you take in grams only. Why? The molecular weight generally will take in grams. So that is why if given information is in kg, that is also you take convert into what? Grams. So always you have to take in grams. So like this here what happened? So here you write in comment box the respective problem answers. I am waiting for your answer. So please go to that problem and write. So we'll go to the next problem, that is previously problem number 3. What is the mass what is the mass of oxygen? What is the mass of oxygen produced if 125 grams of potassium chlorate decomposed or strong heating? Then you have to write the chemical equation. KClO3 gives rise to KCl plus O2. Then balance the reaction. 2 moles like this. So here he asked him 125 grams of KClO3 and here how many grams of oxygen. Generally here what happened? Here you have to calculate the molecular weight. What is that? What is the molecular weight? That is KClO3. That is nothing but first 39 potassium. Chlorine is 35.5. Then 3 into 16. You will get answer 122.5 grams. So here 2 into 122.5 grams of KClO3 gives 2 into what are here KCl is that is KCl potassium 39 and 35.5, then 0.5 9 1 4 1 then automatically you will get 74.5 grams of oxygen. Suppose if it is oxygen, sorry, here 3 moles. Suppose here KCl means you have to do, but here 3 2s are 6 into 16 grams of oxygen. Why 6 into 3 2s are 6? Then oxygen is 16 like this. Here what happened? Here if you will do like this, why here the given information is in grams? So this is also grams. Grams must be matched. Why? Here 2 into 122.5 molecular weight of this KClO3. Why it is 2 here there? So that is why 2 into 122.5 grams of KClO3 gives rise to, here oxygen is asking the relation between KClO3 and oxygen. Then 6 into water, 16 grams of oxygen. This much gives how much? Crisscross. Then 125 into 6 into 16 divided by 2 into 122.5 grams. Means here 125 into 6 into 16 divided by what are 2 into what 122.5. So from this calculation, so how many grams you are getting? So here finally final answer is 48.9. 48.96 like that grams of oxygen is produced. So like this here what happened? Here the relation, or you if you want to convert, you convert this into first moles. How? Weight by molecular weight. Then you will get moles. After that you convert into grams. Moles into the respective molecular weight. Like that also you calculate. So anyway, thank you. This is the relation between water. Weight, it is nothing but mass. This is very, very important, and you go to that, you do go on practicing. So from this book, automatically you will get more, means wrap up with the problems. Thank you very much. మీకు నచ్చిందంటే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, ఫైనల్లీ కామెంట్ చేయండి. So this is very, very important. I will give you if you want any videos, please comment. Definitely I will upload it. So answers compulsory you have to do, and comment. Thank you.